Oliver. Aw. Oliver, go in, buddy. Go on. Go on.
Oh, you are? Shit. Okay. I'm in the park still. So I'll head over there right now. What do you want? What do you want, Kurt? Take another stick?
Go on.
Okay.
It's okay. Oliver, you want a stick?
We have a whole box.
I thought you were kidding. Okay.
He's trying to figure out how to get into the water.
No, I just thought
Oh, it's okay, buddy. Go on. Go on. It's okay. There you go. Just a little nudging. And we're good. Got green crap all over you, buddy.
okay, so it just turned, like, get the stick. Tasha, go get it.
He waits until
Get the stick.
I think he's like, it's my stick now? Oh, no.
Tasha, go get it.
puppy.
What a good boy you are, buddy.
Can I pet your dog?
Sure. What a good boy you are, Oliver. Yeah.